Alright, it's a little over an hour later, and that roll cage, ooh, that was really hard to get out. I had to cut some bolts off. Where's that one piece? The hitch thing in the back, I had to cut that off. There's no way that thing was coming off, but as you can see, this thing has seen better days. It's definitely still completely stuck. Oh, that's whatever. Still completely frozen. Might use some parts, probably from the carburetor. Oh, but yeah, this is a lot of work, especially for what I'm used to. Whatever. Probably gonna take the engine completely out, clean everything really well, paint it with rust reformer, and take it from there. I don't know about this. I took that bottom shroud off and it looked really, really oily. I don't know if this thing is leaking. I tried to open that earlier. Didn't see much in there. I hope I don't have to rebuild this thing either. I mean, it wasn't that bad to take all this stuff off, but definitely a project. See some parts here. Here's the carburetor. It's pretty nasty, especially inside. Look at that. This thing I'm gonna clean completely. I cut the belt off with angle grinder. Hopefully we'll be able to reuse. I was gonna reuse this part inside here. I don't know. I'll just take it as it goes. Yep. Alright, well, I'll check back to you probably after I take the engine off and clean everything real well. And we'll continue from there.